You wake up at 6:52 a.m. Not because your alarm went off, because your body already knows. It's done this 4,900 times. Same ceiling, same job, same commute. Different year, same stress. You tell yourself it's fine. Good salary, benefits, stability. Meanwhile, your bank account looks like it's running on life support. And here's the weird part. You're making more money than your parents ever did, and somehow you feel poorer than they ever were. That's not bad luck. It's not inflation. It's not you not budgeting hard enough. That's by design. Welcome to the salary trap. Let me introduce you to Mike. Mike is 36 years old, works a respectable job, and makes $92,000 a year. On paper, Mike is winning. He's in the top 15% of earners. LinkedIn would be proud. Mike gets paid bi-weekly. That's $3,538 before taxes. After taxes, it's $2,620. Now watch what happens next, because this is where the system gets sneaky. It doesn't hand Mike his money and say, "Congrats, decide wisely." No, it shreds it into pieces before he can even blink. Rent, $1,350. Car payment, insurance, gas, $620. Groceries and eating out, $450. Phone, internet, subscriptions he forgot he had, $150. Utilities, $170. Before Mike even feels paid, $2,740 is already gone. He has negative money left. But here's the psychological genius of it. Mike doesn't feel poor. He has a car, that decent place, a Netflix account he barely uses. The system gives you just enough comfort to keep you quiet. This is the first weapon of the salary trap, the illusion of prosperity through fragmentation. When money arrives in a lump sum and disappears in tiny pieces, your brain never screams, "I'm broke." It just whispers, "I guess this is how life works." Now let's talk about the part nobody likes admitting. The second trap, you helped build it. Mike didn't start here. At $55,000 a year, he lived fine. Then he got a raise, so he upgraded the apartment, then the car, then the vacations. Every raise felt like progress, but every upgrade raised the floor of his survival. Economists call this lifestyle inflation. I call it financial quicksand with better furniture. Now Mike can't quit, can't risk, can't breathe. He doesn't own his lifestyle owns him. That's what people mean when they say golden handcuffs. They're shiny, they're comfortable, and they don't come off. And here's the part nobody warned you about. A $200,000 earner can be just as trapped as someone making $40,000, because freedom isn't about income, it's about the gap between what you make and what you need. And the system is very good at making sure that gap stays microscopic. You don't get richer, your obligations just get promoted faster than you do. So let me ask you something uncomfortable. If you quit your job tomorrow, how long could you survive? Be honest. 1 month? 2? If the answer is under 3, you're not secure. You're dependent. That paycheck isn't freedom, it's permission to keep playing. And banks love this, landlords love this, subscription services you forgot about love this. You're not a customer, you're a revenue stream. But here's the good news. This isn't a law of physics, it's a system, and systems can be dismantled. Wealth isn't a higher salary, it's options, it's savings, assets, time. The moment you build a gap, even a small one, something changes in your brain. You stop asking, "How do I get promoted?" and you start asking, "How do I stop needing permission to live?" That's when the trap breaks. The salary trap is real. It's quiet, it's comfortable, and it keeps smart people busy enough to never question it. But once you see it, you can't unsee it. And seeing it is the first step to your escape.